Hello everyone, this is Songlal Changra and you are watching me at my YouTube channel Study English with Professor Songlal Changra. So the basic agenda of this channel is to help the students in maths, because in today's time it's going to be very tough to tackle all the situations which might rise from this pandemic era. I'm going to prepare a series for students of BA first year, first semester, BA second year, third semester, BA final year, fifth semester very soon. I'll upload all the recorded videos on my YouTube channel. You can watch and prepare for your upcoming semester and final examination. I assure you that you will feel the real classroom experience through these videos. Please like it, share it and do subscribe, so that's why I can work for you. In today's time, it's not only a matter of study, it's a matter of developing the skills. I hope you would love it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, colleagues and anyone who is ready.